Top 5 Best Treadmill Mats in 2020. Number 5. Amazon Basics High Density Treadmill Mat. This high-density treadmill mat from Amazon Basics is a favorite with home gym enthusiasts. It provides superior protection for a variety of flooring surfaces including hardwood, vinyl, laminate and carpeting. It's also one of the most durable and affordable options out there. Made from high-quality PVC, the mat is designed to resist denting from even heavy exercise equipment. It features a gripping surface that prevents equipment from slipping. Of course, the mat keeps carpet dust and other debris from damaging the mechanical parts of your treadmill too. The PVC construction means that the mat resists water damage and provides protection against sweat penetration. It's easy to clean and disinfect. The mat also rolls up neatly for convenient storage. This mat is available in 3 sizes to suit different equipment demands. Most treadmill owners will need to choose the 3-foot by 8.5-foot mat or 4-foot by 6-foot mat. Cutting this mat to size is not recommended. Pros. Offers excellent slip protection. Backed by a 1-year warranty. Available in 3 sizes for all home gym needs. Cons. Not designed to be cut to size, coming in number 4. Stamina Fold-to-Fit Folding Equipment Mat. If you're looking for a mat that folds up for easy use and storage, this pick from Stamina is a great choice. Its unique folding design allows it to fit comfortably in smaller home gyms. It offers good protection from carpet dust and floor debris as well. The mat is made from 1/4 inch thick foam that prevents equipment from damaging flooring surfaces. It's made from a closed cell material that provides some protection from sweating and wetness. However, it should not be exposed to rain or other water sources on a regular basis. Measuring 3 feet by 7 feet, it's big enough for many home treadmills. The mat features fold lines spaced 12 inches apart so that it can be used under smaller pieces of equipment as well. Of course, it can also be cut to size with a utility knife if needed. Pros. Folds easily to fit compact spaces. Made from non-slip material. Cons. May not perform well on thicker carpets. Doesn't provide great noise reduction. Coming in number 3. YOGU Puzzle Exercise Floor Mat. Designed to provide you with plenty of configuration options, these interlocking gym floor tiles provide superior cushioning on hard flooring surfaces. Each puzzle mate is constructed from durable EVA foam that helps protect your floor from treadmill damage. The tiles measure 24 inches by 24 inches each. The tiles are designed to be cut so that you can create an even flooring surface no matter the dimensions in your space. The heavyweight EVA foam helps to insulate your room from treadmill noise. Of course, the mats also protect your treadmill motor from floor dust. Waterproof construction means that these puzzle mats are also easy to clean and disinfect. They can be used both for your treadmill and for a wide variety of other exercises including interval training, yoga and weight lifting. Thanks to their thick cushioning and textured grip, these tiles are ideal for use on concrete floors. They also perform well on tile, vinyl and laminate floors. Border strips are included to ensure a clean, professional look in your home gym. Pros. Dozens of configuration options. Interlocking design makes mats easy to clean. Cons. Not suitable for carpeted floors. Foam mats can be more susceptible to dents than PVC mats. Coming in number 2. GOPLUS Treadmill Mat. Featuring a non-slip surface on one side and a smooth, easy-to-clean surface on the other, this treadmill mat from GOPLUS is ideal for hardwood floors. It's constructed from durable PVC to provide superior protection for your floors and equipment. This non-toxic material is ideal if you have kids or pets in your home. The water-repellent design also makes this mat the perfect choice for hardwood. Of course, it works well on other hard flooring surfaces such as vinyl, laminate and concrete. Thick construction ensures that this mat goes the distance to protect your floors from scratches, scuffs and other damage. It also prevents floor dust from getting into your treadmill's motor. The PVC material provides great sound insulation so that you can run hard without waking up the whole family. This GOPLUS mat is available in 3 different sizes to suit all of your home equipment needs. It's an extremely affordable option that doesn't sacrifice value for price. Pros: best choice for hardwood floors. Superior noise reduction on hard surface flooring. Equipment doesn't slip during workouts. Cons: some users complain about initial odor. Coming in number 1. SUPERMATS High Density Mat. Designed for treadmills and other heavy exercise equipment, this mat from SUPERMATS is a superior choice in terms of both quality and cost. The mat is made from a vinyl composite material that provides sufficient cushioning for use on both carpet and hard flooring surfaces. You'll find that it offers great grip for your shoes. The vinyl composite helps to repel environmental and carpet dust that can interfere with your treadmill's motor. It also provides better protection from dents than either foam or rubber mats. While these mats can be used with a variety of gym equipment, they perform best with treadmills and free weights. The mat is available in 5 different size options. The most popular option measures 3 feet by 8.5 feet and is large enough to accommodate most home treadmills. The thick, heavyweight construction ensures optimal noise buffering. These mats are made in the US from non-toxic materials, which makes them a great choice for buyers who don't want their kids or pets to be exposed to unhealthy fumes. Pros: heavy, durable construction ensures long use life. Suitable for all flooring surfaces. No plastic smell. Cons: some equipment slippage over time is possible.